Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So you guys see a lot of my video, and you guys see a lot of my video that I did a lot of repair on the Chrysler Pacifica, as you can see on the video. um, but have you guys wondered why I haven't do any Chrysler Pacifica video anymore? So here's is what happened. So this video right here is where I usually do protect myself. So I usually do a video around the car first before I bring it to a dealer, just in case if they mess it up something or they damage something, I have something to prove. So here's the video I took before I brought to the dealer for repair on the oil cooler leak. So this is the video I had it. I recorded, and now get to the good part. This is 2 weeks after the recording of this. So here is the shot where I go to pick up my kid from work. No, I go pick up my kid from school, and as you see, I'm just driving. I'm on the way, and this is right at the red light. As you can see on the video, I'm at the red light right now, and I'm stopping it. It's a T intersection, so I'm just staying there waiting for the red light to turn green so I can go. As you can see on the video, so it's pretty big street, and this is around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm still waiting for the light to turn green so I can turn left, um, as you can see. So wait and see a few seconds. You can see it start turning green, and when it's turning green, usually, when you turn it green, you start to take off, right? So this is exactly, just pay attention to the light. So it's red, now it's turning green. I'm start moving, and then bam, as you can see that, you can see right there. Let me do a reverse so you can see it better. So let me reverse the video. So give me a second here. So as you can see, now I'm doing the reverse video so you can see the damage that's happening. Okay, let me fast forward to that accident. As you can see, so the guy was running a red light. As you can see, my light is green, so he's running a red light. So basically, and so I after he passed, and then I pull over the side and trying to get out and get information on what to do next, get his insurance information, because clearly is he's running a red light. And as I told you guys so many times, it's so important to have a dash cam. So this is the thing that you want, so you avoid all the trouble that go into the insurance, that you need to prove that he's running a red light and all that stuff. For now, dash cam show everything. Now, as you can see, let me pull some picture. This is the picture of the damage that he got. As you can see, let me pause that. So as you can see, the damage on his car is right on the front passenger side. As you can see, his wheel is almost bent inside. So that's the good news about it, because his wheel is bent inside. I think he was trying to took off, but he can, because his vehicle is front wheel is really in bad situation, damage, so he cannot move. So he stopped. So let me show you some more picture of his car damage, and then I'm going to show you some picture of my car got damaged. As you can see, it's on the passenger side front. That's his car. It's a blue Camry. um, as you can move forward, now that's on the side. Now you get to my car. Couple more picture. Then now let me show you the damage on my car. As you can see, the front bumper is almost falling down. Mostly the damage is on my driver's side because he hit it from that side. You can see, so all this picture I took for the insurance. So basically, I was able to drive it home with all this damage, um, because my house is pretty like a mile away. So I was able to drive it home, and then I took all this picture just to prove to the insurance what happened. So actually, as you can see, the whole front bumper is almost falling down. Um, it looked to me like there's no frame damage or anything like that. Basically, just the front bumper, the hood, and the light and the grill in the front, as you can see. And on the side, well, we got a lot of coolant leak. And basically, the vehicle was able, I was able to drag it home without getting it towed. So that's a good thing. As you can see, all the picture was damaged there. And there's one more, as you can see. Now let me pause it right here. So you can, as you can see, it's all the damage happening. Well, uh, let me tell you what's a good and bad about this situation. Okay, there's a couple of bad thing about this is, like I said before, he trying to took off after the accident, but luckily for me, he couldn't do because his front right tire was damaged, so he cannot move anywhere far. So lucky for that, because later on I know that this guy, he don't have insurance for his car, so he got no insurance, and the only thing I can get him is his registration and his driver license. So that's the good. That's the bad thing. That's the reason why he trying to took it off. But lucky for me, he could not because of the damage of his front tire. So I was lucky to got all that information. But for me, the most lucky thing is I bought full coverage for this vehicle. So so I claim on my insurance to get it fixed. So I was able to claim my insurance, and my insurance go through, and they finally get it to the inspector, which is I was able to get it towed to the repair shop. And then when it's at the repair shop, um, they did all this inspection and did all the quote. And ending up, they said is the frame is also damaged. So the total of everything they quote is like 16,000 or $18,000. And they pass forward to my insurance, and my insurance decided to total my vehicle. So like I said before, this one I bought it 6 years ago, which is about $21,000. This is just the basic toy Chrysler Pacifica. So it's an L model. It was on a promotion, something like that. So I was able to get out of door 21, and now they total the car. So just for that, they totaled it, and I was able to. Lucky for me, so I got that money, and then after that I was able to find the current vehicle I have right now, which is the 2012 Toyota Sienna. 60,000 mile. I was able to buy it for a very decent price, and I still have some extra money for a rainy day. So so like I said, everything happened for a reason, and when one door closed, there's always another door open. And actually, after I bought this one, my family really enjoying it, because my kid really enjoyed this one. They said they like this Sienna is better because they have the power sliding door, and my Chrysler Pacifica does not. And my Chrysler Pacifica only have 7 seat, and this one is 8 seat, because I converted from 7 to 8 on the Sienna. So for very convenient for a kid with the power sliding door, because they can just press one button and the door just open by itself, rather than the manual on the Chrysler Pacifica that they have to try real hard just to close it. So, like I said, you never know what happened, but in case there's an accident, the most best thing you do is get a dash cam. So within 5 minutes after I send in this video, the damage video, the accident video, my claim went through right away, and I was able to get the thing fixed right away. I mean, get the thing to the repair shop right away and get the whole claim process moving, just because of the dash cam video. So like I told you, it's so important to have one. And when you do, uh, everything just goes smooth. So there's a bad and it's good. The bad is, I also will spend a lot of time on the Chrysler Pacifica, and I do love that van. And sometimes it just thing happen, right? So you got to move on. But like I said, one door closed, another one open. So I was able to get this one. This one is in great shape. I was able to use the extra money to do whatever I need to do to customize the van to the way I like it. And now it have been almost a year already, and I have took a lot of long trip with this Toyota Sienna, and everything goes smooth. um, there's no major problem with this. Only little stuff that I can able to fix it. As you can see, most of my video I was able to do it, and I was able to upgrade a lot of stuff because of the extra money that I got from the accident. So overall, is to me, yeah, I do waste a lot of time on dealing with the claim and stuff like that, and then find a new car. But in the end, everything worked out just fine. I was able to get this beautiful van, and I was able to move on as quick as possible. So overall, it's a good experience for me. But like I said, the most important thing is make sure you got a dash cam, and also make sure you got full coverage. Because could you imagine if I don't have full coverage and this guy don't even have insurance for his car? So I have to put money out for myself, and that's going to be a tough. I'm going to be in a tough situation. So gladly everything is worked out. Um, Nobody was injured. I was driving alone. My kid wasn't there. So when I was safe, I got no injured, no nothing. Nobody got injured, and everything worked well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.